Hello class, today is Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. Today's warm-up. The 17 students on the math team want to raise $483.62 to buy practice books. They have already raised $218.25. If each student raises the same amount, how much more money must each student raise? Learning objective. Hill scholars will solve problems involving ratios, rates, and percents, including multi-step problems. DOL for the day. Given 3 problems, I will solve problems involving ratios, rates, and percents, including multi-step problems at 100%. Some vocabulary to share with you today is constant, something invariable or unchanged. It stays the same. So constant means it stays the same throughout. Proportional, corresponding in size, degree, or intensity, having the same or constant ratio. Ratio, a relationship in quantity, amount, or size between two or more things. It is a way of comparing two things. We're going to start today by talking about ratio. If you travel abroad to a place like Mexico, you will need to exchange dollars for pesos. The current rate is about 22 pesos for each dollar. Therefore, you can write an exchange rate as a ratio, and there are 3 different ways of writing that ratio. You can write it as 1:22, or as a fraction 1/22, or 1:22. Okay, proportionality. Now we will use the ratio from the previous slide to introduce proportionality. So from the previous slide, we know that $1 is equivalent to 22 pesos. That's the rate or the ratio. So therefore, if we have $2, that means we would end up getting $44. And the question is, are these two ratios proportional? And if they are, how can we prove it? Well, let's see. We can start by doing the butterfly method. We can multiply 1 times 44 and 2 times 22, and 2 times 22 gives us 44, and 1 times 44 is also 44. So therefore we know that 44 is equivalent to 44. Therefore, these ratios are proportional. Let's take a look at a different proportionality. Again, we're using the same ratio of $1 to 22 pesos, except this time we're going to exchange $4. And according to our second ratio, we will get 66 pesos. Well, let's check to see if that is true. Again, we start by doing our butterfly method. And we know that 4 times 22 gives us 88. And 1 times 66 is 66. And we definitely know that 88 is not equivalent to 66. Therefore, these two ratios are not proportional. Okay, let's practice solving the missing variable for a proportional ratio. At this time, go ahead and stop the video and work this problem with your class. Let's try one more, but this time I would expect the students to do it independently on their own. Stop the video and allow the students time to complete the problem. Once you have completed this problem, there is a DOL for you, which consists of 3 problems, and that will be assigned through Google Classroom. Thank you and have a wonderful day.